Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another advent calendar unboxing. We are on day 4. So I already opened this one by accident when I opened number 1. So we just have to pull him out of his little tiny slot. And let's see what we're going to get. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a little puppy on a laptop. I love this one so much. I love dogs. He's wearing glasses and pajamas and a hat. Oh my god, he's so cute. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I am going to work on him. I have everything all set up right here. And I am going to watch Grey's Anatomy. And I am going to put on some music for you. And I'll come back when I'm done. Alright, see you in a bit. And enjoy. Alright guys, so day 4 is done, and isn't he absolutely adorable? I think he's a little golden lab. He's so cute on his little blue laptop that's wrapped like a Christmas present. I really like this one. He's adorable. And that is it for day 4 of the Advent Calendar. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a growing channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.